Welcome back, ladies and gents. Welcome back to another video on the channel. We are back. We are trying to pump out the videos once again after our little Christmas break. Anyway, today we're going to be looking at a plugin by the one and only Exeldro called the Scene Notes dock. So let's just get into it. Let me find. Here we go. So here we go. We have it all already here. Scene Note Docs. It's on 0.02 now. There was an update on it, but this is going to be so handy for all kinds of creators and streamers and podcasters. Anyway, so to download it, obviously just go download. You can do the Windows zip format way of doing it. It's that helps you when you've got like portable OBSs and stuff like that. If not, most of the time people just download it and use the installer. It's a simple way. I've obviously had it download. Make sure when you do download it and install it, you have OBS closed. It won't run properly. So once we've done that, we're going to open up our OBS. Let me find the right one. There we go. So if you have installed it correctly, you should be able to go to your docs. Down here, where are we? I can't see it. There we go. Quite a few things installed. Then you go to Scene Notes, and it should pop out a window, a little dock there. So then you can put that wherever you like. So, say for example, just put it there, and it will dock nicely into there. So what this is designed for is so you can put literally notes on certain scenes. So for example. Test, does this work? And of course it does. So you can do that. As you can see there, it does work. So when we move to a different scene, so just chatting, it's now moved. So that note is literally just on that scene. So if you are, say, like a podcaster, or so when I've done my podcasts in the past, this would have been ideal. I could have written loads of notes on there instead of having it on a separate screen and everything like that. I could just write the notes there, and I could have them ready to go. And it's so good. The other thing you can do is on here, you can highlight it, right click it, and you can change the text color, change the font, background color, copy it, and then paste it into other ones like you would do a lot of things. But it's perfect for writing notes. So if somebody spots something wrong with your stream and you can't necessarily get time to do it during the stream, you can just quickly put a note in, and then you can see it later on, and then you can try and fix that later on. So perfect. It's I suggest using it and getting used to using it. It's so good. I'm going to start using it because I've only just really recently come across it. But yeah, it shows your uses and what you would do it. Tell us in the comments below. As for now, let me zoom in a little bit bigger. As for now, thank you for watching, and we will catch you in the next video. Peace out.